Hey everybody, this is Christian here from the High Level Content Army, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to set up dedicated domain for sending emails in Go High Level. So the first thing is, why is dedicated domain or subdomain important in Go High Level? The reason why we use dedicated domain is for mainly two things: to improve your brand credibility, to look more trustworthy as a company, and second, to avoid getting in spam, so you hit the inbox and not spam. Okay, with that said, I'm going to show you an example how the email sends when you are sending from a dedicated domain. So I'm sending here an email, in this case to myself, and as you can see, the sending from address is exactly what I want to show at mycompanyname.com, and then if you check the details, the reply to address is going to show the actual dedicated domain. In this case is mg.systemskings.com. So let me show you how to set it up ASAP. First thing we need to do is go to the left bar, go to email services, and then go to dedicated domain and IP. We don't need to use add service because we're using LC email, which is the native Go High Level email provider. We go to dedicated domain. In this case, I've already have set up my dedicated domain. In this case is mg.systemskings.com. So now I want to add another one. I'm going to click add domain, and then I need to enter the domain name. So the way you enter the domain name in Go High Level is pretty simple. You put the domain here, and then before you're going to put a prefix, which can be lc dot, it can be mg dot, it can be email dot. It needs to be something dot, basically. Let's try, for example, email like this. Then I'm going to click add and verify. I'm going to click on continue. So sometimes, if there is a direct integration with the domain and the domain provider available, there is something called Domain Connect, which basically gives you the option to just log into your domain provider and then click on next. In this case, looks like it's not giving us the option, so we need to go to the actual domain provider, in this case Namecheap. Then we need to find the domain, and then we actually need to set up the DNS records. So if there are existing DNS records there for email, what I need to do is delete the existing records there and then replace them with whatever is in the Go High Level. Okay, so let's start. We need to have a text record here. Here's host, here's required value. Let me add a new record as well for text. Here's the host. Here's the value. Let's get the CNAME. Actually, there is a CNAME here, so what I can do, just replace whatever is here. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, and then finally we save all changes, and then we add the MX records. Host is whatever is here. We need to copy it here. Required value here. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on verify records. So it could take up to 24 hours. If after 24 hours it's not done, you check and it's not done, you need to try again. If it's not done, then redo it. So delete the records and then do it again. But then once it's working, it's going to look like this, all green, and then you're going to be able to send emails in Go High Level.